Honorable Chairman Sir, Deku Sinjoto House ni member sono Hakaham de Hamtamaya Fare Dini Jini Bill Place Kanani de Udro Kanan Notavi Kaisa Ki Agenda Wise Kaiwan Jini First agenda Anka TTIDC Establishment of Village Committee Age Amendment Act 2024. So, Age Amendment Kainani Bagui, Honorable Chairman in Kanibo, and Place Kainani Prepared Kajak. All the others, section for Agi Kubanga, ADC Village Committee ni Chairman ni Bagui SC Reserve Tom. Get some one shot card to 6 schedule itself no more SC ni Bagui. Get on the Kuno reservation or Tomani Kogya, especially Chairman ni Ketre. Chairman no Kuno reservation SC ni Bagui. Umani Koya. Pitch schedule ni Omo mention Kaja Tongo, pitch schedule, the 6 schedule ni Omo Zaga Hike, SC Reserve Umaya. Ghanibaway, Honorable Chairman Kaniwa and Omo, Village Committee, Establishment of Village Committee Act 2024 Act Amendment no place Kayo. The number Tongosini TTIDC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business 21st Amendment Rule 2022. So 2022 on place Kaika the password Unka. Here by Ora Zagawasun Chini Chairman Nosun Speaker Panunani Bagui propose Kaika Vice Chairman or Deputy Speaker propose Kaika. State Nihote all Kajaka discussion unka almost Speaker Maya Governor House of discussion Kasini officer of Gani Bangwich Omono, Jehu Chairman, the Vice Chairman Humeshi. Mark Haine case or the Daga speaker, deputy speaker, Honani Kuno Usko Guru. High Hini Chadawi, Omonos and Tabo, Udro Kaidani Bagay and Place Kai or House. Take a chanka TTIDC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business 21st Amendment Rules 2024. So, all the public account committees and Kalaika, Chini Chairman ni Omombai approved Kajagu. Get some public account committee Kapro, some guidelines and Andaka, the Oroni, the disposing money of no president in Tanema of National. Yamo president in Yom Mutabek 6 schedule public account committee Asobui. Audit dog verify Kaiman Yagulo, more president Iwo Marhoya. Sini governor Nitanishi Marhona. Can Bangchun Omono and 22 amendment, 21st amendment rules. One of the Hainen introduction, Kaiwote discussion Kainani Bagui, they pass Kainani Bagui, Joto House Nibuskango, place Kai. Take a set on which you need TTIDC salary allowance and other benefit of the chairman, chief executive member, and leader of the opposition, and salaries, allowance, and pension of the member of TTIDC 13th Amendment Rules 2022. Omno ang Udro Kainani Bagay, Honorable Chairman Itaniwo, place Kayo. Sunjay Oro 2022 Jesini salary bill pass khai holaikha aro jagao jeng IG ni state ni kacha notification tongo notification ni mutabik और जगह सुजाता Government of Tripura Confidential and Cabinet Department 18 June 1998 को मो पास कर देखा जब डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल ने जो member shall be accord all privilege available to cabinet minister of the government of Tripura. Oma ikan MDC logo thum oma hai. Jahar ni bagoi mana ni chairman ni thaniwa omano udur khaina ni bagoi place khajawu sumomano tese review khaina discussion khaina और jagawo chairman ni executive member ni EM ni MDC ni bom hai Nani na omoseng joto discussion khaina ni bagoi table family pension LTC oma hairo komang masini kotinati discussion khajanai tongo jong 2022 rohmani no chentabo withdraw khaina ni bagoi and o house of place thai te gaisa tongo chini oma 8 days discussion khaikha trade license and control chini PTADC Trade License and Control First Amendment Rules 2022. So approve bill placed having or house of total 8 days discussion on Katini by 9 days in 9 days salsa so omono discussion kaini nangai. Inja omono butini high placed kaipiu discussion ni bagoi house ni joto member ono high request kaini musugu pabona ni musugu Jesine oro 383 trade license je propose khaikha 385 only 385 ni bisingo bomono exclusion khajane to bomono te inclusion khajane to te salsa jora tongo chini bagoi discussion khaine ni bagoi next session no soon joto ni chini honorable member na request khaine ni musugu or ni was there sung item no include khaje tong khangke include khaine ni bagoi o jorawo sadi hai ke batini phane jodi discussion ni bising tui or jaga inclusion khaijane tongke sabai khangke chao te bu exclusion bomono khaine ni na je item or ni tongu omana ADC tamasne tax nai meya levy nai meya jodi oma hairo tong khangke suggestion khaina ni bagai and joto honorable member ni thani koijau te bichini duita tongo bonke refer khaija tin chile committee ni thom khaina ni bagai TTADC administration of justice TTADC Land Allotment and Use Act. Bob Hainu Chini Chila Committee was Hanga, Select Committee Tabu, Pom Kaja, Pom Kai Bono, verified Kainan Bago, discussion Kainan Bago, Veronicani Yapazaton. Get in it, the oral bill pass, bill place Kaimani, Honorable Chairman Sano Kobago, Omono Joto House ni member Ono, discussion Kaidaway, Chini Duita. Kaisa hingke kai ni ke udro khaijane te kai thangke pass khaijane je pass khaijane no joto honorable member cho discussion khaiwe support khaibe jadi te pass khaijane bagoi chuba chu khaibe jadi ai hne koiwe ne ani ko oro no thaka joto na hambai